Okay. Good morning, everybody. 8th class social studies. First chapter reading and analysis of okay. Last class the reading and analysis maps, evolution of maps, the father of Dutch cartographer named Gerardus Mercator. Gerardus Mercator position modern world maps, some important world maps. These topics last class discussed. The reading and analysis maps is completed. Next today 11th A chapter. National movements early phase. National movement in India early phase. India national movements in India early phase. National movement, national freedom movement. Our Indian national freedom movement divided 3 periods. The important historian Ramesh Panarka divided 3 phases in our Indian freedom movement or Indian national movement. The 3 periods, the 3 phases is called 3 phases names. 3 periods names. First period, moderate period. Moderate period. Moderate period 1885 to 1905. Moderate period time. Second, extremist period. Extremist period 1906 to 1919. Extremist period. Third, Gandhi period or Gandhian era. Gandhi period 1920 to 1947. Okay, three periods in our national freedom movement or nationalist movement. The periods divided by the important historian Ramesh Banarkar. Ramesh Banarkar discussed the nationalist movement, studied the nationalist movement. So many historians also accept the Ramesh Banarkar periods. Moderate period 1885 to 1905. Our Indian movement, our freedom movement is very long movement. Our Indian freedom fighters, our freedom movement is nearly 100 years movement. Main important historical year 1885 is the important year of the freedom movement. Before 1885, so many organizations established in India. The organization, some organizations name Indian Association, Madras Association, Bengal Associations, Kannada Associations, so many associations established some educators, well-educated people. Madras Association, Bengal Association, Bombay Association. The association main aim, the leaders, association leaders, spread our Indian people motivation and education. So many development principles spread in the India. Motivation, inspiration. I mean, nationalist ideas, national feelings. The leaders, the people spread the national feelings throughout India. Some organizations, some groups, some races, suppose Fakirs, Villas, and Wahhabis, Muslims. So many group of people also against the British government. The people also, some organization, some agitations established in India. The people agitation, the people movements, only particular places there. No, throughout India. The ideas, nationalist ideas spread out throughout India in the style. Especially moderate period. Moderate period 1885 to 1905. The period is an important period of the Indian nationalist movement. Why? One of the important organization established in India. The organization name INC. INC means Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress established or founded by A.O. Hume. Alan Octavian Hume is one of the British civil servant. I mean, the person main goal, the person main aim, follow the shaped valve theory. Shaped valve theory means the theory main support the Britishers. Why? Our Indian people, so many people educated, the people studied some Western education, English language, so many books. Some people is very well educated. The people, they inspired the nationalist ideas, inspired the Western movements, so many movements occur in India. Suppose England Revolution, Russian Revolution, French Revolution, American War of Independence, the revolutions history studied by the people. The people motivated them. That's why the AOHUM main aim or Indian people, educated people, they supported the Indian National Congress. Supported Indian National Congress. Before so many organizations there, the organizations is completely annexed or included in Indian National Congress. The important well-educated people, intellectual peoples there, leaders there. The leaders name Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee, Madan Mohan Malavya, Manohar Lohia, Subramanyam, Iyer, so many people, main important people, Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, main people. Dadabhai Naoroji introduced drain theory. The drain theory main important aspect, how to exploit our Indian resources, our Indian economy, how to exploit by the Britishers. Our Indian economy completely destroyed by the Britishers. How to exploit our Indian resources? There is important information given by the drain theory. మన భారతదేశం ఇండియాలో ఉండేటువంటి ఆర్థిక వనరుల్ని ఏ విధంగా బ్రిటిషర్స్ దోచుకుంటున్నారు, మన సంపదని ఏ విధంగా వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారని చెప్పేసి ఆయన తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. ఇలా ఎప్పుడైతే ఎడ్యుకేటర్స్ అయ్యారో మన ఇండియన్ ఎడ్యుకేటర్స్ కొరకు ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ పెడితే వీళ్ళు బ్రిటిషర్స్కి సపోర్ట్గా ఉంటారు, బ్రిటిషర్స్కి అగెనిస్ట్గా ఉద్యమాలు చేయాలనే ఆ యాటిట్యూడ్తో మనకి ఈ యొక్క ఏఓహ్యూమ్గా ఈ యొక్క ఆర్గనైజేషన్ పెడుతుంది ఇండియన్ నేషనల్ కాంగ్రెస్. Indian National Congress, it is the main organization in our freedom movement. All leaders, all organizers join Indian National Congress. December month, the first session, first meeting in Mumbai, 1885, December. The first session, the first meeting announced established in Bombay, present Bombay, Mumbai and Bombay. Bombay, that is Mumbai. Gokul Tejpal Sanskrit College. The first session conducted in Gokul Tejpal Sanskrit College. Throughout India, the leaders, delegates, members attend in the first Indian National Congress session. 56 delegates attend in first summit, first conference. The people is well educated people. The people is very intellectual people. The first session president W.C. Banerjee. ఉమేష్ చంద్ర బెనర్జీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఈ లెసన్ మనం కంటిన్యూషన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా?